My name is Daryl, and welcome to AlphaCars in Ural of New England. Today I want to show you this pre-owned bike that we just got in inventory last week. This is a 2005 Bmw R1200St. 1200cc, sequential fuel injection, 6-speed transmission, and shaft drive. ABS brakes, all these are standard equipment on this bike. They only produced this bike for a very short time, very limited production, so it's pretty rare model. And most of them you see are going to have some miles on them because people tend to ride BMWs more. But this one only has 16,000 miles on it. It was purchased locally. It's been serviced locally. It has a fresh set of tires, brakes, all the other services are all current and up to date, so it is ready to go. Doesn't need anything, and as you can see by taking a look at it, it's a very clean motorcycle. It's been very well taken care of and provides somebody with a lot of miles. So if you're interested in more information on this bike or anything else that we have, please let us know. My name is Daryl, and thank you for watching our video.